morning again, folks. It's Monday, so that can only mean it's time for a mini lock Monday. This is, I believe, an K2000 padlock for locking out fuse consumer units or something, electrical work and such. Sorry, get my tape measure. It is 24 millimeters wide, tiny little thing. So, yeah, K2000. That's for fitting on the key. So I thought we would get it open, pop it in the shackle. Oh, sorry, didn't show you the keyway. That's the keyway. And I'm going to use a law lock bottom of a keyway tensioner with a tapered edges. Put right in about halfway. Again, it's only tiny, so I have to get my fingers around that. And I'm going to use this lovely little mini pick from RuneSmith because it seems to like the little locks and it is made for the job. So yeah, let's see if we can get in this. Just do that a bit better. Oh yeah, sorry, that's got a slightly sprung core as well. Forgot to say. I've overset something. There we go. Just go to if they don't all pop straight away. There we go. That's that. Yeah, not a bad little lock really. To be fair, for what it is. But anyway, that's it for now, folks. Mini lock Monday. Till next time. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.